Hello everyone. Today I am introducing third part of the forensic chemistry. तो शुरू करते हैं ओवरव्यू ऑफ फोरेंसिक केमिकल एनालिसिस। इसमें क्या क्या होता है? Forensic chemical analysis involves the application of chemistry techniques to solve criminal investigation and legal cases. It is a crucial part of forensic science, wherein the identification and analysis of chemical substances play a critical role in understanding crimes, environmental hazards, and health risks. This discipline uses chemical principles to detect, identify, and quantify substances found at crime scene, accident site, and other environments under investigation. फोरेंसिक केमिकल एनालिसिस क्या चीज है? तो केमिकल एनालिसिस का ये है कि केमिकल एनालिसिस का क्या है? एप्लीकेशन ऑफ केमिकल टेक्निक। इसमें एप्लीकेशन होता है, अप्लाई किया जाता है केमिकल टेक्निक का यूज करके सोल्व क्रिमिनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन और क्राइम एंड लीगल केसेस सोल्व करने के लिए किया जाता है। और ये एक फोरेंसिक साइंस का ही पार्ट है, where the identification and analysis of chemical substances। केमिकल से मतलब जो केमिकल से रिलेटेड हो वो केमिस्ट्री में चला जाता है। नेक्स्ट, की एस्पेक्ट ऑफ फोरेंसिक केमिकल एनालिसिस क्या है? की एस्पेक्ट, पर्पस एंड इम्पोर्टेंस। इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है? फर्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंस है क्राइम सीन इन्वेस्टिगेशन, दूसरा है पब्लिक हेल्थ सेफ्टी, तीसरा है इन्वायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन। तो पर्पस एंड इम्पोर्टेंस में क्राइम सीन इन्वेस्टिगेशन में फोरेंसिक केमिकल एनालिसिस aid in identifying substances like drugs, poison, accelerant, and explosive, which can link a suspect to crime or provide insight into the cause of crime। काउज ऑफ क्राइम का आइडेंटिफाई किया जाता है, लिंक के सस्पेक्ट के जरिए। Public health and safety. It helps to identifying hazardous chemicals such as those contaminated food, water, and air that can pose health risks to the public। Environmental protection. Environmental protection हो गया by analyzing pollutants and contamination in ecosystem। Forensic chemistry play a role in investigating and migrating environmental crime including illegal dumping and pollution। अब चौथा नंबर जो कि रेगुलेटरी कंप्लायंसेज है। फोरेंसिक केमिस्ट्री इंश्योर दैट commercial products such as food, pharmaceuticals, and cosmetics meet safety standards and are free from harmful contamination। ठीक है, इसके सेफ्टी स्टैंडर्ड को ध्यान रखते हुए फ्री फ्रॉम हार्मफुल कंटामिनेशन रेगुलेट किया जाता है। कॉमन एप्लीकेशन में टॉक्सिकोलॉजी, ड्रग एंड एक्सप्लोसिव आइडेंटिफिकेशन, फायर आइडेंटिफिकेशन, ट्रेस एविडेंस, डाई एंड इंक, फूड एंड वाटर सेफ्टी। अब टॉक्सिकोलॉजी में एनालाइजिंग बायोलॉजिकल सैंपल, ब्लड, यूरिन, ये बायोलॉजिकल सैंपल हैं, फॉर टॉक्सिन, पॉइजन एंड ड्रग टू डिटरमाइन काउज ऑफ डेथ और इम्पेयरमेंट। ड्रग एंड एक्सप्लोसिव का क्या हुआ? ड्रग एंड एक्सप्लोसिव आइडेंटिफिकेशन, इसमें क्या होता है? डिटेक्टिंग एंड आइडेंटिफाइंग कंट्रोल सबस्टेंस एंड एक्सप्लोसिव थ्रू केमिकल फिंगरप्रिंटिंग एंड स्पेक्ट्रोमेट्रिक मेथड। अब है फायर इन्वेस्टिगेशन, एनालाइजिंग फायर डेब्रिस फॉर ट्रेसेज ऑफ एसिलरेंट, एग्जाम्पल गैसोलीन, किरोसिन, पेट्रोल, डीजल, etc. to determine the cause of suspicious fire. Trace of evidence, इसमें क्या होता है? एग्जामिन स्मॉल क्वांटिटी ऑफ मटेरियल्स लाइक फाइबर, ग्लास और पेंट टू इंक ए सस्पेक्ट, लिंक ए सस्पेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट टू क्राइम सीन। अब आगे है डाई एंड इंक एनालिसिस, इसमें क्या होता है? कंपेयरिंग एंड आइडेंटिफाई इंक एंड डाई इन काउंटरफिट डॉक्यूमेंट एंड फ्रॉडुलेंट चेक, इन दोनों में। अब फूड एंड वाटर सेफ्टी, इसमें क्या होता है? इंश्योरिंग दैट फूड प्रोडक्ट एंड वाटर सोर्सेज आर फ्री फ्रॉम कंटामिनेट, इसमें ये देखा जाता है कि वाटर सोर्स और ये कंटामिनेशन फ्री हैं कि नहीं, टॉक्सिन एंड केमिकल हार्मफुल तो ह्यूमन हेल्थ पे हार्मफुल हैं क्या। पढ़ते हैं टेक्निक्स एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स यूज इन फोरेंसिक केमिकल एनालिसिस। क्रोमेटोग्राफी, इसमें क्रोमेटोग्राफी हो गया, दूसरा मास स्पेक्ट्रोमेट्री, एमएस इंफ्रारेड स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी, गैस, इसके बाद हो गया गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी, फिर हो गया एटमिक एब्जॉर्प्शन स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी, उसके बाद एक्सरे फ्लोरोसेंस, और ये हो गया फोरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म इंफ्रारेड स्पेक्ट्रो FTIR। इसमें क्या है? क्रोमेटोग्राफी में क्या है? सेपरेटिंग मिक्सचर टू आइडेंटिफाई इंडिविजुअल कंपोनेंट यूज फॉर ड्रग एनालिसिस, फिंगरप्रिंट, एसिलेंट एंड मोर। मास स्पेक्ट्रोफोटोमेट्री में क्या है? आइडेंटिफाई द क्वांटिफाई chemical substances by measuring the mass of charge ratio of ion, commonly used for drugs and explosive residue analysis. Infrared spectroscopy IR identify molecular structure by measuring the absorption of infrared light. It is used for identifying unknown substances in fire, डेब्रिस एंड केमिकल स्पिल्स। अब आगे क्या है? गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी GC सेपरेट्स एंड एनालाइजेज कंपाउंड दैट कैन बी वेपराइज विदाउट डिकम्पोजिशन, लाइक इन द केस ऑफ डिटेक्टिंग टॉक्सिक गैस और एसिलरेंट। एटमिक एब्जॉर्प्शन स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी AAS यूज फॉर डिटेक्टिंग मेटल्स एंड हैवी एलिमेंट्स like lead or mercury in water, food or biological sample. X-ray fluorescence XRF detects and quantify elements in a sample useful for analyzing trace evidence or forensic artifact. Frontier transform infrared spectroscopy (FTIR) identify organic material like fiber, plastic, and explosive by analyzing their infrared spectra. चैलेंजेज इन फोरेंसिक केमिस्ट्री एनालिसिस, इसमें क्या है, सैंपल कंटामिनेशन का चैलेंज होता है। दूसरा क्या है, कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ सैंपल। तीसरा है लीगल एंड इथिकल कंसिडरेशन। चौथा है टाइम सेंसिटिविटी। तो पहला क्या है, सैंपल कंटामिनेशन। मेंटेनिंग द इंटीग्रिटी ऑफ द एविडेंस इज क्रूशियल। Any contamination using collection, handling, or analysis can compromise result. Complexity of sample. Crime scene evidence often contains a mixture of substances which can make identification difficult. Advanced techniques are required to separate and identify compound. Legal and ethical consideration. Forensic chemists must adhere to strict protocol to ensure the accuracy and reliability of their findings, as these results often form the basis of legal decision. Time sensitivity. Many forensic analyses, such as toxicology reports, speed to be conducted quickly to support time sensitive investigation. अब अगला रोल ऑफ फोरेंसिक केमिस्ट। तो रोल ऑफ फोरेंसिक केमिस्ट का हुआ क्या है, एक्सपर्ट विटनेस, कोलेबोरेशन इन मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी टीम, और तीसरा रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट। तो एक्सपर्ट विटनेस का क्या है, expert forensic chemist often testify in court as a expert witness, explaining the scientific method used and the result of their analysis. Collaborator in multidisciplinary teams. They work alongside forensic biologists, pathologists, toxicologists, and law enforcement to provide comprehensive evidence for investigation. Research and development. Forensic chemists engage in research to develop new methods and techniques for more effective analysis and detection of criminal substances. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फोरेंसिक केमिकल एनालिसिस केसेस। तो इसमें क्या होता है, पॉइजनिंग का हो गया, ड्रग ट्रैफिकिंग का हो गया, आर्सन का हो गया, इन्वायरमेंटल क्राइम्स का हो गया, काउंटरफिट गुड्स का हो गया। Poisoning may identifying toxic substances such as arsenic, cyanide, or heavy metals in biological specimens to investigate suspicious deaths or incapacitations. Drug trafficking, analyzing drugs found at crime scene to identify substances, trace their origin, link suspect to criminal activity. अब आर्सन वाले केस में डिटेक्टिंग द केमिकल एक्सीलरेंट इन फायर डेब्रिस to establish whether a fire was set intentionally. Environmental crime, identifying pollutants like heavy metals or chemical waste in natural environments to track illegal dumping or pollution. Counterfeit goods, testing products like pharmaceuticals, cosmetic, or food teams to ensure they are not contaminated with harmful or illegal substances. Conclusion. Chemical analysis is fundamental part of modern forensic science, providing critical evidence that can solve cases, protect public health, and support environmental justice. By utilizing advanced chemical techniques and instruments, forensic chemists help build connection between suspect, victim, and crime scene. This field continues to evolve, incorporating new technology and methodology to keep pace with the ever-changing landscape of crime and forensic investigation. A further aspect of foरेंसिक केमिकल एनालिसिस, इसमें क्या होता है, एडवांसमेंट इन फोरेंसिक केमिकल एनालिसिस। इसमें क्या है, पहला नैनो टेक्नोलॉजी। नैनो टेक्नोलॉजी क्या है, नैनो का मतलब बहुत छोटा, नैनो। स्मॉल। The integration of nanotechnology into forensic chemical analysis has revolutionized the detection of minute traces, मतलब बहुत छोटा traces of substances. Nanoparticles can be enhance the sensitivity and selectivity of various analytical techniques, allow for the identification of trace evidence that would be difficult to detect the conventional method. Application क्या है, enhanced detection of drug, explosive or biological sample from crime scene. Advantage, increased accuracy and reduced detection limits. अब पोर्टेबल फील्ड डिवाइस, ये पोर्टेबल फील्ड डिवाइस क्या है, उसके बाद पोर्टेबल एनालिटिकल डिवाइस, इसके एप्लीकेशन और एडवांटेज। तो हम पोर्टेबल फील्ड डिवाइस, पोर्टेबल फील्ड डिवाइस क्या है, पोर्टेबल एनालिटिकल डिवाइस they have become increasingly valuable in forensic chemistry, allowing the field officer or first responder to analyze evidence on site. Instruments such as portable gas chromatography (GC) and handheld mass spectrometer (MS) enable the rapid screening of substances at crime scene. अब एप्लीकेशन में क्या है, डिटेक्टिंग इलीगल ड्रग, बैन ड्रग है, एक्सप्लोसिव, hazardous chemical in the field. Advantage, faster result, reduce need for laboratory transport, immediate accessible information. Artificial intelligence in AI forensic chemistry. AI technology are being used to analyze large data set. AI से हम लोग large data set को analyze कर सकते हैं and identify pattern in chemical evidence. Machine learning algorithm can assist forensic chemists by automatically identifying chemical compounds in complex mixture, or by predicting the source of contamination based on database comparison. एप्लीकेशन क्या है? ड्रग आइडेंटिफिकेशन, कंटामिनेशन सोर्स ट्रेसिंग एंड ऑटोमेटिक एनालिसिस फॉर टॉक्सिकोलॉजी सैंपल। एडवांटेज क्या है? इम्प्रूव्ड स्पीड, एक्यूरेसी एंड प्रिडिक्टिव compatibilities इन forensic investigation. Forensic chemistry in a specialized domain. Forensic environmental chemistry. This subfield is concerned with identifying and analyzing pollutants and hazardous substances in the environment, such as heavy metal, organic pollutants, and chemical residue in air, water, and soil. Forensic environmental chemistry is vital in addressing environmental crimes like illegal dumping, water contamination and air pollution. Application क्या क्या है? Identifying pollutants in industrial zone, illegal wastage, disposal and ecosystem damage due to toxic substances. चैलेंजेज क्या हैं? कॉम्प्लेक्स मैट्रिक्स एंड लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वायरमेंटल रेसिस्टेंस ऑफ सम केमिकल. Forensic archaeological chemistry in case where evidence of ancient crime or past environmental disaster is sought. Forensic archaeologists apply chemical analysis, artifact residue and human remains. This can help identify the use of toxic substances, analyze the chemical composition of historical artifacts, uncover information about past civilization. Application क्या है? Analysis of ancient poison substances found in buried artifact or human remains to identify cause of death or lifestyle. Challenges में preservation of artifact and limitation in detecting incident chemical residue. लीगल कंसिडरेशन इन फोरेंसिक केमिकल एनालिसिस और चेन ऑफ कस्टडी. चेन ऑफ कस्टडी के बारे में सबको ही मालूम है कि हम चेन ऑफ कस्टडी को मेंटेन करते हैं. तो चेन ऑफ कस्टडी मेंटेन करने के लिए पहला के बाद दूसरा प्रोसेस, दूसरा के बाद तीसरा प्रोसेस, तीसरा के बाद चौथा, कौन से ऑफिसर ने किस एविडेंस को पहले हैंडल किया. जैसे कि ये फर्स्ट है, ठीक है, इसने हैंडल करके दूसरे को दिया, दूसरा हैंडल करके एविडेंस हैंडल करके तीसरे को दिया, ठीक है, अब तीसरा हैंडल करके चौथे को दे रहा हूं, इस टाइप से. अब चौथा हैंडल करके पांचवें को देगा, यह है पांचवा हैंडल करके छठे को देगा, या फिर कोर्ट में, ये है कोर्ट, तो यहाँ कोर्ट में ये एक्सपर्ट ओपिनियन देगा विथ द स्टडी ऑफ सर्कल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर विथ चेन ऑफ कस्टडी. पहला ट्रांसफर, दूसरा ट्रांसफर, तीसरा ट्रांसफर, चौथा ट्रांसफर, लाइक दिस साइक्लिक प्रोसेस. अब हो गया इन फोरेंसिक साइंस मेंटेनिंग ए प्रॉपर चेन ऑफ कस्टडी इज क्रिटिकल टू इंश्योर दैट एविडेंस रिमेन untampered and with and its integrity is preserved from collection of courtroom. Forensic chemists must adhere to strict protocol when handling and analyzing evidence to ensure its admissibility in courts. Best practices: documenting every step of evidence handling using tamper-proof container, tamper-proof container जो कि खुल न सके, and ensuring that only authorized personnel handle evidence. Tamper proof containers, जैसे कि एक कंटेनर है, ये सील किया गया है ऊपर से, जो कि कोई और ना खोल सके। क्वालिटी कंट्रोल एश्योरेंस, इसमें क्या होता है? इंश्योरिंग द एक्यूरेसी एंड रिलायबिलिटी ऑफ फोरेंसिक केमिकल एनालिसिस इन वाइटल इन लीगल केसेज, as even small error in analysis can have significant consequences. Laboratory must implement robust quality control system including proficiency testing, calibration method and validation. Best practices में regular validation of analytical instrument, routine proficiency testing and participation in inter-laboratory comparison program. स्टैंडर्ड्स एंड रेगुलेशन, क्या क्या रेगुलेशन है? Forensic chemists must adhere to established standards and guidelines such as those set by American Society for Testing and Material, ASTM. क्या है एक सेकेंड, क्या है? अमेरिकन सोसाइटी फॉर टेस्टिंग एंड मटेरियल्स। ये क्या है? ASTM शॉर्टकट में बोलेंगे। ये भी क्वेश्चन आते ही हैं शॉर्ट फॉर्म वाला, इस पे स्टैंडर्ड सेट किए जाते हैं। और दी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन द इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन, ये भी है स्टैंडर्ड का ISO। अक्सर ये सारे ISO तो सभी में चलता है। ISO का क्या मतलब है? स्टैंडर्ड। तो ये ISO नमक, तेल, चीनी, सरफ, साबुन सारे चीजों पे चलता है। एंड अदर गवर्नमेंटिंग बॉडी, these standards help to ensure that forensic analyses are significantly sound and legally defensible. Common standard ISO IEC 170-25, 17025 for laboratory accreditation, ASTM E23 E2339 E4 forensic chemical analysis. इमर्जिंग एरिया ऑफ फोरेंसिक केमिकल एनालिसिस, ये क्या है? फोरेंसिक जेनेटिक केमिस्ट्री का। दिस इमर्जिंग फील्ड combines chemical analysis with जेनेटिक मटेरियल एनालिसिस। जेनेटिक मटेरियल क्या होते हैं? जेनेटिक मटेरियल जो जीन को बनाने में मदद करते हैं, जीन, RNA, DNA एंड जीन टाइप मटेरियल। building inside body, particularly in cases involving drugs, poison and environmental chemical. It looks at the interaction between chemicals and genetic material, particularly toxicology and pharmacology. Application क्या है? Studying the effect of toxin on human DNA. Identify genetic mutation. यहाँ म्यूटेशन का क्या मतलब है? जेनेटिक म्यूटेशन का मतलब ये है कि कुछ वेरिएशन। एग्जाम्पल पी प्लांट, तो पी प्लांट का म्यूटेशन मेडेलियन लॉ दैट इज एग्रीगेट्स टू द जेनेटिक म्यूटेशन। तो उसमें क्या होता है कि शॉर्ट लॉन्ग टी प्लांट, टी स्मॉल, टी शॉर्ट, शॉर्ट टॉलर स्ट्रोंगर, टॉलर टॉलर शॉर्टर का जो म्यूटेशन होता है बीच वाले में, जो कि एक्सप्रेस जीन एक्सप्रेस करने से विफल हो गया, वो म्यूटेंट रह गया, अमीन्स हाइडन रह गया, तो उसको जेनेटिक म्यूटेशन बोलते हैं। रिलेटेड टू केमिकल एक्सपोजर एंड इवेलुएटिंग ड्रग्स मेटाबॉलिज्म। जैसे कि एक और एग्जाम्पल है कि पहले प्लांट में कोई एक पर्सन है, उसके पूरे खानदान के आदमी टॉल हैं, लेकिन जो लेडीज होती है उसके खानदान में सारे छोटे छोटे हैं, उनके खानदान में छोटे छोटे हैं। तो यहाँ पे दोनों का म्यूटेशन होगा, तो फिर म्यूटेंट क्या रहेगा? अगर टी टी हो गया, टी बड़ा एंड टी छोटा, टी कैपिटल एंड टी स्मॉल हो गया, तो दोनों का म्यूटेशन, एक म्यूटेशन प्रजातियां होगी, तो उसमें क्या होगा कि कभी में टॉल हाइड हो सकता है, किसी में शॉर्ट हाइड हो सकता है, मीडियम भी हो सकता है एंड टॉल। दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द जीन म्यूटेशन। Challenges: complexity and analyzing chemical genetic interaction, and one and one need for a specialized technique. Chemical profiling for counterfeit products. Forensic chemists are increasingly involved in the analysis of counterfeit goods such as fake medicine, electronics and branded product. Chemical profiling allow investigators to trace the origin of counterfeit product and uncover how they are manufactured. कैसे मैन्युफैक्चर हुआ, कैसे काउंटरफिट हो गया, किसी प्रोडक्ट की डुप्लीकेट कैसे बनाई चीज बनी। जैसे कि चाइना मोबाइल फेमस ये डुप्लीकेसी के लिए। Application: identify fake pharmaceutical products, counterfeit electronics, and pirated goods using chemical analysis. Challenges: identifying complex counterfeiting methods and staying ahead of counterfeiters. चैलेंज क्या है? काउंटरफीटर को दूर। अब क्या है? फोरेंसिक केमिस्ट्री इन मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी इन्वेस्टिगेशन। केमिस्ट्री का मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी इन्वेस्टिगेशन में क्या है? कोलैबोरेशन विथ फोरेंसिक बायोलॉजिस्ट। Forensic chemists often collaborate with forensic biologists in cases involving biological samples. For example, in toxicology and the chemical analysis for biological fluid, blood, urine, semen, saliva, vaginal swab can be combined with biological analysis, example DNA testing, to draw more comparative conclusion. Application क्या है? Combined analysis of biological toxins and genetic evidence to understand cause of death or impairment. Benefits क्या है? Provide a more complete picture of the forensic evidence. इसमें more complete forensic evidence का complete picture. अब collaboration with law enforcement. Forensic analysts play a key role in supporting law enforcement during chemical investigations, offering chemical expertise in drug analysis. जब कुकम्बर हो सकता है कुकम्बर का एडवर्टाइजमेंट में, तो लोग ला को लो क्यों नहीं बोल सकते? Arson investigation and environmental crime cases. They often work closely with detectives to interrupt evidence in light or criminal law and regulation. Application क्या है? Chemical analysis of substances found at crime scene, assisting detective in narrowing down suspects based on chemical traces. Benefits: enhances investigative outcome through specialized knowledge. Future direction in forensic chemical analysis. Microfluidics and lab on a chip technology. The development of many saturated chemical analysis technique promises to make forensic chemical analysis faster, more efficient, and portable. Lab on a chip technology allows the integration of multiple chemical analysis steps in a single device, enabling real-time analysis. फ्यूचर एप्लीकेशन क्या है इसके? फ्यूचर एप्लीकेशन ऑन साइट टेस्टिंग फॉर ड्रग पॉइजन एंड एक्सप्लोजन, रिड्यूसिंग टू द टाइम नीड टू गेट्स रिजल्ट फ्रॉम क्राइम सीन. चैलेंज क्या है? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स टेक्नोलॉजी इनटू प्रैक्टिकल फील्ड रेडी सॉल्यूशन. अब एडवांसेज इन बायो एनालिटिकल केमिस्ट्री. Research into bioanalytical method which enable forensic chemists to more accurately analyze biological samples for a wide range of chemicals, including environmental contaminants, drugs and poisons. Future application. Future application क्या है? More sensitive testing for drugs of abuse, hormone disruptor and their chemicals that affect human health. Challenges: improving sensitivity and specificity for complex biological sample. अब चलते हैं कंक्लूजन की ओर. इसके कंक्लूजन. फोरेंसिक जो अब तक पढ़ा, फोरेंसिक केमिकल एनालिसिस या रिवीजन. Forensic chemical analysis is an evolving field that play a critical role in solving crimes, protecting public health, and enforcing regulation. As technology advances, forensic chemistry continue to improve in sensitivity, speed, and versatility. providing valuable insights into criminal investigation and environmental monitoring. Whether in crime scene analysis, regulatory enforcement, or emerging research, forensic chemical analysis is dispensable for justice and safety. आगे बढ़ते हैं। फोरेंसिक केमिकल एनालिसिस इन डिजिटल फोरेंसिक। डिजिटल फोरेंसिक में केमिकल एनालिसिस का क्या महत्व है? तो इमर्जिंग रोल इन साइबर क्राइम इन्वेस्टिगेशन, साइबर क्राइम वाले केसों में। Emerging role in cybercrime investigation. Digital forensic has become a key area in criminal investigation, and forensic chemistry is playing an increasingly important role in analyzing digital evidence. Chemical analysis can be used to identify volatile substances that may have been used in the creation of explosive drugs or device involved in cybercrime, or it can help identify a specific chemical linked to digital evidence manipulation. Application: identifying chemical residue in device using for cybercrimes, tracking the use of certain substances in the development of hacking tools, or analyzing physical evidence from cybercriminal activity. Challenges क्या हैं? Integrating chemical analysis with digital data and understanding the intersection between cybercrime and physical crime. Chemical analysis of electronic waste, e-waste. The disposal of recycling of electronic waste was created a new frontier for forensic chemical analysis, particularly in cases involving hazardous material or illegal trading for e-waste. Identifying toxic substances like lead, mercury, and cadmium in e-waste through chemical analysis is becoming increasingly important इन इन्वायरमेंटल फोरेंसिक। एप्लीकेशन क्या है? ट्रेसिंग इलीगल डिस्पोजल ऑफ ई वेस्ट, आइडेंटिफाइंग हजार्डस केमिकल इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक प्रोडक्ट्स एंड इंश्योरिंग सेफ रिसाइकलिंग प्रैक्टिसेज। Challenges: handling the complex and diverse chemical makeup of electronic components and ensuring that evidence is preserved for legal processes. Forensic chemical analysis in human analysis of chemical marker in decomposed body. In case of decomposition or skeleton remain, forensic chemist analyzes chemical marker to estimate the time since death or time of death, identify the cause of death, link remain to a specific toxin or substances. Techniques such as chemical isotope analysis, which traces the intake of certain food, drugs, or chemicals, are gaining prominence in forensic investigation. Application क्या है? Analyzing bone and tissue for presence of drug, poison, or toxin that may indicate cause of death. Challenges: the complexity of working with decomposed or damaged remains and extractable chemical data. Chemical analysis of postmortem fluids. Blood, urine, and other bodily fluids are often analyzed in postmortem cases and to identify the presence of drugs, alcohol, poison, and other chemicals that may have contributed to death. Forensic toxicology involves a detailed understanding of the chemical breakdown and metabolism of substances in the body. Application: identifying specific drugs, poison, or alcohol concentration that could be linked to cause of death or overdose. Challenges: accurate interpretation of postmortem during labels, as the metabolism of substance can be vary after death. Forensic chemical analysis in doping and anti-doping investigation. Spot doping analysis. Forensic chemistry play a crucial role in detecting banned substances in athletes' body, particularly in blood, urine, or tissue sample. This involves analyzing a wide range of performance-enhancing drugs, PEDs, stimulate and masking agents to ensure fair play in competitive sports. Application: analyzing urine and blood samples for traces of steroids, blood dropping agents, or stimulants used by athletes to gain an unfair advantage. Challenges क्या है? The continuous development of new substances that are harder to detect, and the need for sophisticated analysis techniques to remain ahead of dropping strategy. अब क्या है? डेवलपमेंट ऑफ न्यू टेस्टिंग मेथड. इसमें क्या है? विथ द राइज ऑफ ड्रॉपिंग केसेस, researchers in forensic chemistry have developed advanced analytical techniques such as isotopes, ratio mass spectrometry, IRMS, एग्जाम में भी आते हैं, एंड लिक्विड क्रोमेटोग्राफी मास स्पेक्ट्रोग्राफी, LCMS, लिक्विड क्रोमेटोग्राफी मास स्पेक्ट्रोमेट्री, LCMS, for better detect synthetic and performance enhancing substances in biological sample. फर्दर एप्लीकेशन क्या है? Ongoing improvement in sensitivity and specificity, and specificity of testing method to detect emerging drugs and substances in athletic performance. Challenges क्या हैं? Keeping up the rapidly evolving doping strategy and the new chemical compound being used. Next, forensic chemical analysis in forensic anthropology. Chemical analysis of human bone and teeth. Forensic anthropologists often work alongside forensic chemists to examine human bones and teeth in case of unidentified remains. Chemical analysis can help to determine the geographic origin or remains, or reveal signs of trauma or disease. Application: analyzing isotopes composition in bones to determine the origin of movement of individuals, and identifying any chemical evidence of violent injury or long-term exposure to toxin. Challenges क्या है? Ensuring accurate analysis in challenging skeletal remains and understanding the long-term preservation of chemical marker, bones and teeth. केमिकल मार्कर इन बोन्स एंड टीथ में केमिकल मार्कर को ढूंढ। Ethical and social implication of forensic chemical analysis. Ethical concern in chemical testing. Forensic chemical analysis raises ethical issues related for privacy, consent, and the use of chemical evidence in legal proceedings. It is essential for forensic chemists to ensure that their work adheres to ethical guidelines and legal standards to prevent abuse of evidence or data. Ethical issue क्या है? Ensuring the privacy and consent of individuals whose chemical samples are tested, maintaining an integrity of evidence, and balancing the needs for scientific analysis with respect for individual rights. Regulatory standards. Following established ethical guidelines such as those set by the American Academy of Forensic Science AFS, ये भी आता है फुल फॉर्म वाले में, and ensuring compliances with legal protocols. सोशल इम्पैक्ट ऑफ फोरेंसिक केमिकल एविडेंस क्या है? यूज ऑफ केमिकल एविडेंस इन क्रिमिनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन हैज सिग्निफिकेंट सोशल इम्प्लीकेशन as it can influence public opinion, law enforcement and the justice system. इसमें काम इम्प्लीकेट होते हैं लोग। Forensic chemical evidence is often seen as objective and reliable. But issue of misinterpretation, contamination, or improper handling can result in wrongful convictions और फेलर इन जस्टिस। सोशल इम्पैक्ट ये क्या होते हैं? द widespread use of forensic chemical analysis has raised awareness of its role of crime solving, but it also highlights the importance of education and awareness about the forensic techniques in the public domain. Public trust क्या है? Ensuring that forensic chemical evidence is used properly in criminal investigation or is crucial to maintaining public trust in the legal system. अब ये है फोरेंसिक केमिकल एनालिसिस इन टेररिज्म एंड नेशनल सिक्योरिटी. Chemical weapon analysis. Forensic chemists are often involved in the investigation of terrorist activity, particularly in the analysis of chemical weapons or hazardous materials used in attacks. Forensic chemical techniques are used to detect and identify nerve agents, toxic and other dangerous compounds that could pose a significant threat to public safety. अब एप्लीकेशन क्या है? आइडेंटिफाइंग केमिकल एजेंट्स इन पोस्ट अटैक environment, analyzing biological and environmental sample for chemical residue. Challenges: the complexity of handling hazardous materials and the need for specialized protective equipment during analysis. अब आगे है क्या है? फॉर एक्सप्लोसिव एंड बॉम्ब रेसिड्यू। इसमें क्या है? फोरेंसिक केमिस्ट also play an important role in identifying the chemical composition of explosive and bomb residue in cases of terrorist attack or bombing. This can help trace the origin of the explosive and potentially identify preparators. Predators. Predators. Application: analyzing blast residue and materials used in improvised explosive device (IEDs) to understand the type of explosive and potential sources. Challenges: dealing with potentially dangerous material while maintaining accurate and reliable analytical result. अब कंक्लूजन पे आते हैं। कंक्लूजन में क्या है? फोरेंसिक केमिकल एनालिसिस अब तक का कंक्लूजन जो हमने पहले पढ़ा, फोरेंसिक केमिकल एनालिसिस इज एन ओवर एक्सपेंडिंग फील्ड विद application in a wide array of domain, from environmental protection to national security. Its role in solving crime, protecting public health, and ensuring justice is indispensable with the continuous development of new technology and method. Forensic chemists are at the forefront of combating emerging threats and providing critical evidence that helps maintaining the integrity of judicial process. As the field evolves, it will continue to be an essential tool for law enforcement, legal professionals, and the global community. फोरेंसिक केमिकल एनालिसिस इन डिजास्टर रिस्पॉन्स में chemical tracing in disaster zones. Forensic chemical analysis play a vital role in identifying chemical residue in disaster zones, particularly after industrial accident, chemical spill, natural disaster involving hazardous substances. By analyzing air, water, soil, and debris sample, forensic chemists can determine the cause of the disaster and trace harmful substances back to their origin. एप्लीकेशन क्या है? एनालाइजिंग केमिकल स्पिल्स इन इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सीडेंट, identifying toxic substances in disaster zones, and tracing the source of contamination in natural disasters such as floods or wildfire. Challenges क्या हैं? The need for rapid analysis in chaotic environments and dealing with a wide variety of chemical substances. Environmental cleanup and remediation. After a disaster, forensic chemists are involved in determining the extent of contamination and the necessary step for remediation. This may include monitoring and concentration of harmful chemicals, assessing the effectiveness of cleanup efforts, and ensuring that hazardous materials do not affect public health or the environment. Application evolving the toxicity of polluted areas, tracking the success of cleanup operation, and ensuring that environmental restoration is effective. Challenges ensuring accurate detection of trace chemical and monitoring long-term environmental impact. Forensic chemical Forensic chemical analysis in the field of narcotics and controlled substances. Drug identification and analysis. Forensic chemists play a critical role in law enforcement efforts to combat the illegal drug trade by identifying controlled substances in suspected drug sample. Analytical methods such as gas chromatography (GC), high performance liquid chromatography (HPLC), mass spectrophotometry (MS) are commonly used to detect, identify, and quantify illegal drugs in various forms, from powder to plant material. Application क्या है? Detecting illegal drug at crime scene, analyzing confiscated substances to determine purity and composition, and assisting in profiling the drug trafficking operation. Drug trafficking operation challenges क्या है? The constant emergence of new synthetic drugs and designer substances requiring forensic chemists to keep up to date with the latest trends and method. अब आगे क्या है? टॉक्सिकोलॉजी इन ड्रग ओवरडोज केसेस. ड्रग ओवरडोज, ज़्यादा ड्रग ले लिया हो तो उन केसेज में ऑफ्टन रिक्वायर्ड फोरेंसिक केमिकल एनालिसिस टू डिटरमाइन काउज ऑफ डेथ. किस कारण से बना है? फोरेंसिक ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुका हूँ कि काउज ऑफ डेथ क्या होता है. फोरेंसिक टॉक्सिकोलॉजिस्ट एनालाइज biological sample like blood, urine, and gastric content to identify the substances involved, their concentration levels, and whether they contributed to the individual death. Application identifying the substances involved in fatal overdose, determining the dose and impact of drugs, and distinguishing between accidental overdose and intentional poisoning. Challenges: accurate interpretation of toxicology data, especially cases involving multiple substances or synthetic drugs. Forensic chemical analysis in fire and explosion investigation. Fire debris analysis. Forensic chemists play a critical role in fire investigation, especially when determining the cause of a fire or identifying accelerant. तो cause of fire का मतलब क्या है? हीट ट्रिंगल पर है. हीट ट्रिंगल. Heat triangle. It contains like a word of eating foods look like he triangulation shape, बट हम खाने पीने की भाषा में इसको समोसा से भी डिनोटेड कर सकते हैं। डेब्रिस कैन बी हेल्प इन, क्योंकि वो भी त्रिभुजाकार होता है। हेल्प इन्वेस्टिगेशन डिटरमाइन इन द फायर वाज determine if the fire was accidental or intentionally set. Application identifying accelerant in fire debris, analyzing residue to trace the origin of fire, and helping to differentiate between natural and arson fire. Challenges the complexity of interpreting results due to the wide range of possible accelerants and contaminants present in the fire debris. Explosion residue analysis, ये क्या है कि in case of bombing or explosion, forensic chemist analyzes the residue left behind to identify the types of explosive material used and its potential source. This analysis helps law enforcement officials trace the origin of explosive and determine the motive behind the attack. Application क्या है? Analyzing blast residue, identifying bomb making chemical and linking the residue to a specific manufacturer or group. Challenges क्या हैं? The danger of working and potentially explosive materials and the need for high precision in identifying complex explosive composition. Human remains identification. Forensic chemists use chemical profiling in forensic anthropology and human rights. ह्यूमन रिमेन आइडेंटिफिकेशन, इसमें क्या होता है? फोरेंसिक केमिस्ट यूज केमिकल प्रोफाइलिंग टेक्निक टू असिस्ट इन द आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन रिमेन्स, especially in cases of human trafficking, war crime और मास ग्रेव। इन तीन केसेस में ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग, by analyzing chemical markers in hair, bones, teeth, and their biological tissue, forensic chemists can provide valuable insight into an individual's identity, origin, and history of exposure to certain substances. Application: analyzing remains for chemical marker of identifying, example isotopic analysis for geographic location, determining age of death, क्या है? determining age of death and uncovering historical trauma and or exposure to chemicals. चैलेंजेज में क्या हुए? चैलेंजेज में द डिग्रेडेशन ऑफ रिमेन्स ओवर टाइम्स एंड इंश्योरिंग द प्रिजर्वेशन ऑफ केमिकल मार्कर फॉर एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस। आगे बढ़ते हैं। केमिकल एनालिसिस इन ह्यूमन राइट्स investigation in cases involving human right abuse such as torture or poisoning. Forensic chemists tasked with analyzing biological sample for sign of chemical exposure or abuse. This is particularly important in documenting evidence for legal purpose and supporting victims' claim. Application क्या है? Identifying poison. We have purpose to identifying poison, toxic ants, toxin material, chemicals used in torture or human trafficking, and documenting chemical exposure in case of abuse or human right violation. Challenges क्या है? Dealing with samples that have been adulterated or degraded, and the complexity of analyzing long-term chemical exposure. The role of forensic chemistry in international criminal law. Chemical evidence in war crime. Forensic chemists contribute to the investigation of war crime by analyzing chemical evidence from conflict, such as chemical weapon or toxic substances used against civilization. The use of chemical weapon in warfare is a serious violation of international law, and forensic chemical analysis can help identify the preparators and the weapons used. Application: identifying chemical agents like nerve gas, mustard gas, or other banned substances used in warfare. Providing evidence in international trials or tribunals. Challenges: the complexity of analyzing chemical weapons in the context of war zone, and ensuring the evidence is handled in accordance with international law. Chemical profiling for international environmental crime. Forensic chemistry is increasingly used in international effort to addressing environmental crimes such as legal deforestation, wildlife trafficking, and pollution. Forensic chemists help trace the source of chemicals involved in environmental damage, which is essential for international litigation and environmental protection efforts. Application: identifying illegal chemical used in environmental crime, tracking the movement of illegal wildlife product, and supporting environmental advocacy efforts in international courts. Challenges: legal complexity and the needed for international cooperation and data sharing. Influence of media on forensic practices. The media can also impact forensic science practices by raising awareness about new technology and technology techniques by the influencing public and legal expectation. Forensic chemists must investigate the balance between scientific accuracy and the public understanding shaped by popular culture application. Using media to communicate advances in forensic chemistry and ensuring that forensic practices remains grounded in scientific principle. Challenges: managing the public high expectation as depicted in fictional portrayals, and emphasizing the real challenges forensic chemists face. Conclusion: the future forensic chemical analysis. Forensic chemical analysis continue to evolve as a vital field in criminal investigation, environmental protection, and international law. As technology advancement, forensic chemists are gaining access to more sophisticated techniques that enable quicker, more accurate analysis of complex evidence. However, the challenges of ensuring scientific rigor, maintaining ethical standards, and addressing the constantly changing landscape of criminal activity remain present. With continued innovation, forensic chemistry will remain at the forefront of solving crimes, ensuring justice, and contributing global safety and security. Forensic chemical analysis in bioterrorism. Chemical detection of biological agents. Forensic chemistry plays a critical role in identifying chemical agents used in bioterrorism such as toxins, biological agents of chemical warfare agents. Forensic chemists help trace origin of these substances, determining their effects, and assist in protecting the public from the potential outbreak attack. Application: identifying toxic chemical or biological agents like resin, anthrax, or botulinum toxin in suspicious power or environmental samples and determining their origin. Challenges: handling hazardous material safety, ensuring rapid and accurate analysis to prevent widespread panic harm. Detection of pathogenic agents. In the context of bioterrorism, forensic chemists may also analyze environmental or biological samples to identify the presence of harmful pathogens. This is crucial in preventing large-scale contamination and ensuring the safety of the public. Application: tracing the source of contamination from pathogenic agents in water, food, air, and supporting epidemiological investigation. Challenges: the complexity of identifying and differentiating biological agents from other environmental substances and ensuring reliable detection in the event of the bioterrorism attack. Forensic chemical analysis in food and drug safety. Forensic contamination analysis. Forensic chemists are increasingly involved in analyzing food products for contamination or adulteration. This includes detecting harmful chemicals, toxins, or illegal activities that could pose a risk to human health. Chemistry helps ensure that food products are safe for consumption and meet legal and safety standards. Application: identifying pesticide, heavy metals, or harmful chemicals in food products, and tracing source of foodborne license. Challenges: rapidly detecting data contaminants in large food samples and ensuring the accuracy of results in complex food matrix. Drug safety and quality control: the pharmaceutical industry realizes the forensic chemical analysis ensure the quality, safety and efficiency. क्या करते हैं? क्वालिटी, सेफ्टी और efficiency of drugs. Forensic chemist analyzing drug formulation to confirm their purity, identify counterfeit drugs, and ensure that drugs meet regulatory standards. Application: detecting counterfeit or substandard drug, identifying impurity in pharmaceutical products, and ensuring compliance with safety regulations. Challenges: the increasing complexity of pharmaceutical formula and the need for sophisticated analytic methods to detect new synthetic drug or adulterant. Forensic chemical analysis is palynology and archaeology. Chemical analysis of ancient artifacts. Forensic chemistry also used in analysis of ancient artifacts, fossil and human remains to provide an insight into historical and prehistoric life. By analyzing the chemical composition of artifacts or remains, forensic chemists can determine their age, origin, and potential use in ancient culture. Application: identifying materials used in ancient tools, pottery, and jewelry, and determining the environmental conditions in which ancient civilization lived. Challenges: dealing with the degradation of ancient material over time and ensuring that the analysis does not damage valuable historical artifacts. Isotope analysis in archaeological studies. Isotopes analysis is a powerful forensic tool used in archaeology to trace the origin of materials, including food, water, and building material. Forensic chemists use isotopic signature to understand the migration pattern of ancient civilization, track trade routes, and analyze diets in historical pollutions. Application analyzing ancient bone teeth artifacts to uncover information about historical diet, trade network, and migration patterns. Challenges ensuring accurate isotopes measurement in complex archaeological material and interpreting the data with historical context. Forensic chemical analysis in space exploration. Chemical analysis in space sample forensic chemistry has found a surprising application in space exploration where scientists analyze samples from the other planets, moons, and asteroids to uncover clues about the origin of the solar system and the potential for extraterrestrial life. Forensic chemists analyze these samples to detect chemicals that may indicate past or pattern by present biological activity. Application analyzing soil, rocks, and ice samples from Mars or other celestial body for organic compound and evidence of past life. Challenges: the difficulty of conducting chemical analysis remotely and the potential contamination of extraterrestrial samples by Earth-based chemicals. Up next has space forensic chemistry for future investigation. As space exploration continue to grow, forensic chemistry may play an important role in future investigation involving space debris, satellite manufacture, or contamination of outer space environments. Application: identifying and analyzing materials related to space debris, tracking contaminants in space mission, and ensuring the safety of astronauts. Challenge: dealing with the extreme condition of outer space and maintaining the integrity of chemical evidence. Forensic chemical analysis of international trade and smuggling, detecting illegal trade in precious metals and gems. Forensic chemists are increasingly called upon to analyze precious metals, gems, and other high value commodities involved in international trade to detect fraud, smuggling, or illegal extraction. Forensic chemical analysis can help trace the origin of these materials and determine their authenticity. Application: identifying the source of illegally mined diamonds or gold, verifying the authenticity of luxury goods, and detecting smuggling routes. Challenges: the difficulty of determining identifying subtle difference between authentic and counterfeit products, and ensuring that the analysis of admissible in international courts. Analysis of illicit pharmaceutical in counterfeit goods. In the global market, the trend in counterfeit pharmaceuticals and goods is growing concern. Forensic chemists work with the law enforcement and customs agency to analyzing counterfeit drugs, perfume, electronics, and other products to prevent their distribution and protect consumers. Application analyzing chemical composition of counterfeit products to determine their origin and authenticity, and supporting the identification and prosecution of a smuggler challenges the sheer volume of counterfeit products on the market and need for rapid, accurate identification of flakes. Forensic chemical analysis in environmental forensic, tracking pollution source. Forensic chemical analysis is widely used in environmental forensics to identify the source of pollution and trace the path of contaminants. By analyzing environmental samples such as water, air, soil, forensic chemists can pin out the origin of harmful pollutants and help in cleanup effort. Application: analyzing water sample for having metals, pesticides, or industrial chemicals, and identifying pollution source in soil and air. Challenges: ensuring accurate detection of trace chemical in large environmental samples and the complex nature of pollution source. Chemical fingerprints of environmental crime. Environmental forensic use chemical fingerprint to track the origin of pollutants such as oil spill, hazardous waste dumping, or illegal pesticide use. By identifying the unique chemical composition of a pollutant, forensic chemist can link to a specific industries, company, or individual response. Application: identifying the chemical makeup of pollutants from industrial site, detecting illegal dumping of toxic substances, and investigating environmental crime. Challenges: the needs for a specialized equipment to handle large scale environmental sample and accurately identifying pollution. Future trends in forensic analysis: integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. The integration of AI and machine learning into forensic chemical analysis is revolutionizing the field by enabling faster data processing, more accurate identification of chemicals, and better precision modeling. AI algorithm can assist in analyzing large database, identifying patterns in chemical composition, and even predicting likely source of unknown chemical. application क्या है? Using AI to analyze chemical spectra. पहला हो गया predict the origin of substances. दूसरा हो गया एंड स्ट्रीमलाइन फोरेंसिक केस वर्क. अब दूसरे चैलेंजेज में क्या है? इंश्योरिंग द रिलायबिलिटी ऑफ एंड ट्रांसपेरेंसी ऑफ AI बेस्ड एनालिसिस एंड इंटीग्रेटिंग न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी इनटू एग्जिस्टिंग फोरेंसिक वर्कफ्लो. अब अगला है डेवलपमेंट ऑफ पोर्टेबल फोरेंसिक टूल। द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ पोर्टेबल फोरेंसिक टूल फॉर फील्ड यूज्ड इन मेकिंग इट easier for investigator to conduct chemical analysis on site, saving time and resources. Portable device can analyze blood, urine, soil, and materials are becoming more sophisticated sophisticated and accurate application using portable device to test for drug, toxin or environmental pollutants directly at crime scene, disaster zones or remote location. Challenges ensuring the accuracy of portable device in comparison to laboratory result and a cost-effective solution for widespread use. अगला है एडवांटेज इन केमिकल सेंसिंग डिटेक्शन। फोरेंसिक केमिकल एनालिसिस इज लाइकली टू बेनिफिट from advancement in chemical sensing and detection technology such as nanosensor and advanced chromatography technique. These innovations could enhance sensitivity, accuracy, and speed, making forensic एनालिसिस ये मोर इफिशियंट। एप्लीकेशन क्या है? डिटेक्टिंग ट्रेस अमाउंट ऑफ substances in difficult metrics such as explosive in air sample or drug in trace of blood or hair. Challenges developing sensors that are sensitive enough to detect low level of chemicals while maintaining reliability in various environments. Conclusion: the evolving landscape of forensic chemical analysis as technology advances and forensic science evolve, the role of forensic chemical analysis in criminal justice, environmental protection, and public safety continue to expand. From detecting bioterrorism agents to analyze ancient artifacts, forensic chemistry is poised to meet new challenges with innovation and precision. By integrating emerging technology, ensuring ethical practices, and responding to the evolving societal needs, forensic chemistry will remain integral to solving complex cases and ensuring justice in years to come. Forensic chemical analysis in DNA analysis. Chemical analysis in DNA extraction. Forensic chemical analysis play a pivotal role in DNA extraction process, ensuring that high quality DNA samples are obtained from various types of evidence, example blood, saliva, hair. The chemical properties of DNA must be carefully preserved during the extraction and analysis of prevent contamination or degradation, making chemical analysis essential. अब एप्लीकेशन में क्या हो गया? इंश्योरिंग proper chemical reagents and process are used to extract DNA from forensic sample, analyzing degraded DNA sample and improving method for obtaining DNA from challenging evidence. चैलेंज क्या रह गए? Handling and preserving high sensitive biological sample, ensuring the integrity of chemical reaction in DNA extraction, and minimizing contamination in sensitive forensic environments. अगला है केमिकल मार्कर इन डीएनए प्रोफाइलिंग, बाइंड एक्सट्रैक्शन. Forensic chemical analysis also aids in the detection of a specific marker within DNA that can be used to identify individuals or trace familial relationship. Chemical process such as PCR polymerase chain reaction enabling amplification of specific DNA regions, aiding in criminal investigation and paternity cases. Application: enhancing DNA profiling technique. इसका क्या एप्लीकेशन है? डीएनए प्रोफाइलिंग टेक्निक के लिए डिटेक्टिंग ट्रेसेज अमाउंट ऑफ डीएनए फ्रॉम क्राइम सीन. सेकेंड, एंड सपोर्टिंग इन्वेस्टिगेशन बाय प्रोवाइडिंग जेनेटिक एविडेंस. चैलेंजेस क्या हैं? द डिफिकल्टी ऑफ हैंडलिंग माइन्यूट और डिग्रेडेड डीएनए. Slabs and the complexity of interpreting mixed or potential profiles. Role of forensic chemical analysis in human toxicology. Toxicology screening. Forensic chemist specializing in toxicology, which involve testing or poisoning of drug, alcohol, and other toxic substances in biological samples like blood, urine, and tissue. This is particularly relevant in cases of suspected overdose, poisoning, or intoxication, where chemical analysis is used to confirm the presence of toxic substances. Applications: screening for illegal drug, prescription medication, alcohol or poisoning, and environmental toxin in blood, urine, and other body fluids to determine cause of death and or impairment. Challenges: detecting low level of toxin in biological materials, differentiating between the therapeutic level and lethal dosage, and handling legal implication in toxicology. Next step: postmortem toxicology. Postmortem investigation. Forensic chemists use toxicological tests to detect substances that may have contributed to a person's death. This type of analysis is essential in case of suspected poisoning, drug overdoses, and determining whether drugs or alcohol play a role in fatal accident. Application: identifying drugs or toxins in postmortem samples to determine the cause of death, and using chemical markers to understand the timing and effect of poisoning or overdose. Challenges: the complexity of interpreting toxicological results in the context of postmortem, changes in the body, and distinguishing between substances consumed before after death. नेक्स्ट पार्ट कमिंग सून. नेक्स्ट पार्ट हम लाएंगे अगले वीडियो में. अगर कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो कमेंट. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग वीडियोज. फॉर मोर एजुकेशनल कंटेंट, लाइक, शेयर, एंड सब्सक्राइब.